5 years ago, when God crossed our paths, that time, I was the attending vet of her baby, Fuji. Pero that time, taken pa tayo pareho. Then, 2 years from now, muli tayong pinagtagpo ni Lord para sa kanyang perfect plan. And now, here we are.
Hi, Doc Jomar. Open po ba ang clinic? Magpapavaccine po sana yung dog ko. That's the praise that I used to ask you before. Yes po, loyal and solid patient and client po kami ni Jomar even before pa.
I just want to share with you one of my favorite verse in the Bible, Jeremiah 29 verse 11. God says, "For I know the plans I have for you in the future, a plans to prosper you, not to harm you, a plans to give you hope and future."
From their excellent veterinary services, syempre, sa gwapo niyang yan, sino ba naman ang hindi babalik, di ba? Pero kidding aside, it was 2019 when we crossed paths. That time, you were just a doctor of my dog. Ang ganda ng timing ni Lord because 2 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are.
There at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of life.
Who would have thought that we would fall in love? Now we are standing in front of the people we love. I always thank God for giving me someone like you, the compassionate one, and the most loving person I have ever known. Sobrang laking pasasalamat ko kay Lord kasi pinagkaloob ka sa akin.
If the stars were made to worship so loud, I can see your heart in everything you made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. And if creation sings your praises, so will I.
Wow! Love, I know you've been eyeing this for a couple of months. Now, here it's for you. Enjoy your gaming console. Alam kong gigil na gigil ka nang buksan ito. Pero mamaya na. Mag-I-do muna tayo. See you later, my love. I love you. Uy, nice! My love, this is the moment that we are waiting for. To be united as one, in front of our family, our loved ones, and friends. I believe that this is God's plan to meet you, to be part of my life, and to be my lifetime partner.
To speak 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you said. And if it all reveals
Aside from my family, you are the one of the best blessing that God gave to me. Please take care of my heart, my love, and I will take care of you forever. I love you so
the
much.
sky, a canvas of your grace. And if creation still obeys you, so will I.
My love, you are not just my partner, but also my companion in life, my confidant, and my solace. You've seen me at my lowest. You've seen all my flaws. And still, nananatili ka pa din. You taught me so much in life. You make me better every day. And yes, I feel complete because of you.
If the stars are made to worship, so will I. If the mountains bow in reverence, so will I. And if the
Today, our journey begins. Remember what we always say? No turning back. Totoo na to, love. Ito na yun. Ito na yung isa sa mga dinadalangin natin.
if the wind goes where you send it, so will I. If the rocks cry out in silence, so will I. If the sum of all our praises still falls shy, then we'll sing again 100 billion God of salvation,
I know na madami pa tayong pagdadaanan,
all of my
pero pangakong haharapin natin ito ng magkasama. Sa lungkot, sa saya, hindi ka mag-iisa.
faith you create.
Love, pinapangako ko ng buong puso sa harap ng Diyos, sa harap ng mga mahal natin sa buhay at sa lahat ng nandito. Namamahalin kita, aalagaan, at sasamahan ka saan man tayo dalhin ng agos ng buhay. Thank you for everything that you do, my love. I love you yesterday. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. And I will love you forever.